Today I have a quick Adobe Photoshop tutorial that involves saving a series of letter-size catalog covers to square thumbnails for a website. So using the Actions panel, I set up a series of actions so that to make this repetitive task easier. So I start by creating a new set. Sometimes I save this by client. New action. You can save different size assets with different actions. I usually do that. Record. First thing I do is flatten this because I want to add a stroke around this cover because the thumbnail will be square. So I'll make this a layer again. Add a stroke. That's fine. Adjust the image size. Command Option I. Adjust the height to 800. Adjust the canvas size, width to 800. Then I'll export it. JPEG for now. Stop the recording. I will have this panel open up too, just so I can customize it for each cover. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please like it. If you please subscribe to get more tips. Thank you.